Hey guys, iDeviceHelp here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm very excited about today's video because I'll be sharing with you guys iPhone secret hacks that you haven't seen anywhere else here on YouTube. Now I've been digging around the iPhone over the past several weeks and I have a few that I want to share with you guys that I think you guys will really enjoy. So the first one allows you to lock the pages of your iPhone. So the home pages for the application. So if you have multiple pages, you can't scroll over, you can't bring up the actual search, the spotlight search or anything. You can't go over to the widgets. I'm going to show you how to get this one to work. This one can be useful for two reasons. Number one, you can actually prank someone with this one. If they leave their iPhone unlocked, you can lock it in place. Or number two, if you leave your iPhone accidentally laying around unlocked, no one can browse through the pages and see which apps you have installed. So let me show you how to get this one to work. Now for this one, the first thing you want to do is head on over to the widget panel here, and you want to scroll all the way down until the edit button is visible. Now what you want to do is you want to click on the edit button and the dictation button, microphone here on the top at the same time. Now this one usually works after the second try. So let's go ahead and get this one here, the first try, and then we'll do the second try. Here we go. Then you want to click on any of the suggested applications. So let's do that one more time. Now when you go to the home screen, it is locked in place. Now it usually again works on the second try. You can bring Spotlight up. Even if you lock your iPhone and unlock it, you still have the actual trick or secret right there. The hack is still active. So you can't really scroll. The only way you can scroll through the pages is by simply tapping on the dots. But not many people know you can actually tap on the dots to scroll. And then you still get locked into the second page. So it's not like you can continue scrolling. You can tap again, go back to the first one, and it still locks your iPhone on the first page. Again, this one can be very useful if you leave your iPhone laying around accidentally. No one can browse through your apps. Or if a friend leaves their iPhone laying around, you can actually prank them and lock their apps in place. In order to get rid of this one, all you have to do is tap on the widget panel right here and then swipe up from the bottom. Boom, this unlocks it and it goes back to normal. But you have to know exactly what to do in order to unlock this hack. So for the second one, I want to show you how you can record a video on the iPhone. Two methods to record a video on your iPhone secretly. So you want to head on over to the cover sheet right here. Then you want to head on over to the left and hold right here the screen and tap on the volume up right here. This will start capturing video, as you can see there. Now if you activate the mute switch, this won't make that recording chime, so you won't be detected. So you want to swipe now from the bottom, bring it up just like that as you keep your iPhone or your finger on the left here. And now you can hold it all the way towards the top and no one will know that you're actually capturing video. As you can see here, it is still capturing video. Right there it is. It's going, and it'll be on your camera roll. Once you're done, you can go ahead and release, and this will stop the video from recording. There you go. Now there's a second method that you can also use, and it's in the app switcher. So let's launch the camera application. Go into the app switcher here. We can bring up the camera, click on record, and then swipe up quickly, just like that. If you see the numbers going, you're already capturing video. It stays capturing video. As you can see there, it continues to capture video. You can browse through your app switcher here and pretend that you're just in the app switcher and it's still recording video. So two methods on how to record video. Once you're done, go back and boom, it'll stop recording whenever you decide to, and you have a secretly recorded video. Now, if you like videos like this one, let me know in the comments down below because I'll continue to dig around for secrets and hacks on your iPhone that you won't see anywhere else. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.